Being told we have a parabola and we're being asked for the vertex of the parabola. So the vertex of a parabola, or the x value of the vertex, is negative b over 2a if the parabola is in an ABC form. But the x value of the vertex is the average of the zeros if it's in a factored form, which is what we have right here. Now, what we mean by the zeros is the idea that the x-intercept is where y is 0. And if you have a parabola, the x-intercepts, usually there are two of them, those are the solutions. So the x-intercepts, the solutions, come when y is 0. So for instance, on this question, if we make y 0, and y is f of x, by the way, so if we make that 0, then we have 0 equals x plus 3, x plus 1. And then we get to use something called the zero product rule, which is the idea that if these two parentheses multiply to 0, that could only have happened if one of them were 0. So we set each one equal to 0. And here we subtract 3 from both sides. Here we take away 1 from both sides. So at this stage, these parentheses are called factors. But at this bottom stage, these numbers are called roots, x-intercepts, solutions, or zeros. They have a lot of names. And so getting back to the vertex is the average of the two zeros, and these are our zeros. So the average of the zeros would be -3 plus -1 all over 2, which is -4 over 2, which is all -2. So that's the x value of the vertex. And so we have -2 for the x value of the vertex. Which of the following intervals contains -2? That is going to be this one right here, because if we look on a number line, you'd have 0, you'd have 1 on this side, -3 on this side, and -2 is kind of around there. And so it is in the interval between -3 and 1. And like I said, the answer here is B.